this problem, we are going to solve the system of equations by subtracting one equation from the other. And how did I decide to use this method? Well, basically, they line up the equations really nicely for us, and I know that if we subtract the bottom equation from the top equation, we can eliminate the y's and then solve for x, and then use that value of x plugged into one of the other equations to find out what y is. Sounds a little convoluted, but once we get into it, it'll make more sense. So 24x minus 6x, that is going to be 18x. And remember, y minus y makes 0y, so I'm not even going to bother writing that. And then 18x is going to be equal to 48 minus 72, or in other words, minus 24. Okay, now we need to solve for x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 18, and we will get x is equal to minus 24 over 18, which is the same as minus 4 over 3. Okay, now we need to plug x back into one of the equations. I am going to do this bottom one so we can solve for y. So we're going to get 6 times minus 4 over 3 is plus y is equal to 72. 6 times minus 4, that's going to be minus 24. Minus 24 over 3 is nothing more than 8, right? Minus 8. So this becomes minus 8 plus y is equal to 72 plus 8 on both sides. Then we get y is equal to 72 plus 8, or 80. So there you have it. That is how you solve this one. You just have to remember, when you have systems of equations and when the SAT lines it up really nice and organized for you, you probably should combine the system of equations either by subtracting or adding the two equations together.